Dear GialloZafferano friends, today we'll prepare together a second course that will boost your mood and grant your smiles. Soft rolls with a delicious filling will be the stars of today's recipe. Veal rolls with ham and cheese. I'm getting quite hungry. Let's start with the meat. I'm using veal sirloin, which I think is perfect for recipes of this kind. We take our slice, we pound it slightly. I keep my pounder wet, so it will not spoil the slices. Perfect. I'll stuff the first slice with ham. Even mortadella would do. If you plan to use raw ham, choose a sweet cut and mind to adjust it with salt in the end. I'll add a smoked provola. Also the fresh one will do, or fontina, taleggio, which you like most, and then we roll our rolls. Here we are. Now with a couple of toothpicks we close it, one here, one here. Perfect. Ready for the pan. I'll melt some butter in oil. And let's flavor our fond with aromatic herbs. And I'll tie them together with some cooking twine. And then it will be much easier to remove them from the pan. I'm using thyme, sage, rosemary in the first roll, and then all the others. I turn up the temperature and I don't touch them as to let them develop the inviting crust. I'll flavor it with salt and pepper. Look what a nice color. Just a little bit more on this side and then I deglaze it with white wine. Even a sweet beer here would be really nice. Now some flour straight in the pan. Let's add water, lower the temperature. A nice stir. Let's cover it, and in 6 minutes our rolls will be ready. Let's add some more sauce. And here they are, still steaming, ready to be served. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano where you will find ingredients, doses and step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please leave us a like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Oh, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel, no? Veal rolls with ham and cheese. See you!